thought I'd film a little bit by the side of the railway line. There's not much in the way of trains. I think there's a train to Skopje in the morning, and then there's one that afternoon, and it's the same coming back. At some point, you're going to have to get the train just for the crack, because I have watched a video on it, and I think it's like quite an old train, covered in graffiti and all that. Hang on, a little bit of a bump. I wasn't expecting that, sorry. Underneath the main road. Don't know if you can see particularly well. That's the train over there. We've got a goods train parked up down there as well. Where I ended the last video, if I'd carried along that little road, it would have come out here, the other side of the track. And I know that because I saw a guy walking along it, and then when I was on the bridge I saw him walk across the tracks. So the camera down slightly. So yeah, that's not something you can get away with in England. The guy coming down there, picking it up. It's probably going to be a while before that train moves. I mean, it's fine, you know, it's probably sensible. There's no trains coming. It's not like it's a busy route. There's going to be like 2 trains a day. I can get down a bit further. I can see people walking down the side of the goods train. I know it's probably too small for you down there. But being the sad person that I am, well, I just loves lots of transport. I'd kind of like to watch that drive past. Well, I might be here a while. Carry on down the road. Aye. It's a shame that they've got infrastructure like this, though. They'll make better use of it. Like Albania. There's railway lines in Albania. No trains. I think there might be a few good services, but there's just nothing in the way of passenger services. Which again, pretty sad. When it comes from a country like England, where you know, like pretty much any other country in Europe, there's loads of trains. It's a bit sad when you don't have any. I think I'm going to be closer. Me and Daniel had a walk by the train station before. I'm pretty certain. Mind you, if I go any further, it'll be behind the goods train. So, time for a walk again. There we go. Nice little garden, park. There you go. There's a better look at the passenger train over there. Yeah, I know, so they've cleaned the graffiti off the windows at least. And there's our goods train. There's drivers sat in there. Go on. Seamless transition from hand to bike. You know, I'm really worried. The driver sat in there and I think, you just know he's going to drive off as soon as I go. Anyway, while we're on the subject of trains, I shall go and show you. Tell you what, I'll actually go on the road now. It's along here somewhere. These are by the bus station. There's an old steam train. Over. There we go. Yeah. On the subject of transport, is the bus station. They do have a decent timetable in there that shows you when the buses come. There's a few to Skopje each day, 4 or 5. Some others as well. You can also get the Flix bus to Thessaloniki from there. Daniel did it when he flew off to Canada. He went from Thessaloniki airport, so we got the bus down there. It's not exactly a nice place for it. Never mind. It's a shame. Seems all left and unloved. Henschel and Sons, 1922. That looks like someone's sleeping there. Yeah, look, a solid state, isn't it? Used as a bedroom for some homeless person. Oh, well, let's have the roof overhead. I mean, there's worse places to sleep. Tripping over some cables on the floor there. It's a train station. Is that the train station over there? I think it is. Yeah, that is the train station. Small range. Get round in front of the train station. Get me down a little bit. Might be around here. Yeah, there we go. Didn't want to leave his bike on the other side of the road. There we go. It looks nice. Looks like it's recently painted with a nice sign on it and a clock. Yeah, very nice looking station that is. As I say, there's not really much in the way of trains there, that's the only problem. It's a good train. A couple of guys up there stood by the engine, so it doesn't look like he's going just yet. Oh! Is he going? Oh yes, he's going. And he's going. Oh yeah, there you go. Good place for me to end. Thanks again for watching. I shall see you soon. Bye for now.